Mustachio. The truck is ready. Whoa, you did a great job putting water all the way down to that drain. Yeah, it's like a water route. I'm finished with the water route. Now I'm going to wet the wheels. You say? Yeah, wet the wheels. Okay, don't wet yourself though. Okay, meh. It's surrounding. Yes, the plan worked for him, Big. It did. It's alive. The truck is alive. We had to draw a big line all the way down there just to make this. Also move this too. Oh yeah, move that too. Move me. Move me back here. Move me back here. I can't wait for this. Time for the dinosaur move. It's moving. The water route pretty much did work. Come on, Big, go catch it. I got it, Mustachio. Yeah, it's going. I gotta get it. Get it. Oh yeah, Mustachio. Whoa. Go. Oh, it's not moving. Okay, that was a big one. That was a big one. Oh man, the bottle's moving, going away. We'll get the bottle later. Oh, it did it. Okay. T-Rex, it worked. The water route was good. And the bottle blew away in the streets. I'm gonna get it later. We did good. Yes. So you call that good? I'm not. That's for baby. No, it's not. No, it's not, Miss Statue. I want to see you try. Okay. Oh, what the hell is that? It's just a dinosaur truck. Duh. Yeah. Mustachio. Duh. Hey, don't dumb me. Don't dumb me, fool, dude. You know what? I'm getting rid of this truck. Stupid dinosaur truck. I hate this truck. They're having this ugly truck. You call this a dinosaur truck? I call this a poopy truck. What does this thing do again? Ah, it's a dinosaur. Okay, I got rid of it. They can't get it from there. Yeah. Okay. Hot idiots, try finding your truck. Mustachio, where is it? Is it in their butt? No. Is it on the top of the truck? No. Wow, that's weird. Let me go check it out. Oh, you know what? T-Rex should go check it out. Really? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go check it out. Something is on top of the truck. It's the dinosaur truck. Shut up, Yoshi. You don't know that. It could be anything else. It could be like a woman, a lady, or it could be it could probably be a snake. What? Did you say woman, lady? Shut up. Or probably your mom. What? What is this? Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's not a truck. That's probably just a doll or something that a girl owns. I don't know why they put it on top of their truck or our truck. Oh, that's weird. Guys, it's a doll or something. I don't know. A girl left it there. What? Mustachio, that's weird. I know, right? Go check it out, Yoshi. You know what? I'll show you where your truck is. You guys are being stupid. Too stupid and weird. I don't even wanna look at you guys right now. Dudes, what's wrong with them? Why are they so stupid? Well, Former Pig is kinda good, but he's a little stupid and weird. Ugh. You know what? This is a truck. This is what the truck is. Oh, now it works. can't see it because it's kind of camouflaged. Hey guys, you guys are idiots. It's kind of camouflaged. That's why. You can't really see it. It's kind of gray right here. Yeah, truck. Thank you. I guess that's the end. We're gonna play with it. Ah, I'm out of here. Okay, that's the end. Oh, I found something. Subscribe to Expert Bishal if you want more videos. Yo, and hashtag #1. It's your boy Yoshi. Also, hit that bell. That's why there's a noise coming out of it. And also, these things didn't come off from the pink and green fighting. So this yellow line right here, that was a big, stupid idea. Hey Yoshi, you want to pet the dinosaur? I'm not petting it. Get me out of here, Lord. I hate dinosaurs. I'm just gonna go here until it's gone. Well, they're gone.